Hello all, welcome to the channel Where to Know. So in this video we will see how to interface DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor to Arduino Nano 33 BLE board. So this particular sensor is a very common sensor that is used, right? We also have a lot of videos on Arduino Uno, Arduino R4 Wi-Fi board. So there are many boards which we have interfaced already. So one difference between Arduino Uno board and Arduino Nano 33 board is this particular board operates on 3.3 volts. The entire pins around this particular module on this board are 3.3 volt compatible and they are not 5 volts compatible. That's the main difference, where Arduino Uno actually operates on 5 volts and all the GPIOs you can use with 5 volts. So the advantage of actually DHT11 sensor here is this has full range which can actually work at 3.3 volts as well as 5 volts. So as these pins are compatible with 3.3, we are powering this from this particular pin, and we are providing 3.3 volt supply here, and ground is connected to ground, and the data out pin of this particular sensor is connected to the D2 pin. So this is the basic connectivity for this DHT11 sensor. So as we see the code here, so the procedure of writing on in an Arduino IDE is similar for a Arduino Uno board, Arduino Uno R4 board, and then the Arduino Nano board. So if you see here, we have specific libraries, the DHT libraries, right? So we are including them, and board relevant libraries must already be installed to use Arduino Nano, and you can definitely go and search in the libraries, and you can find the Arduino Nano libraries and you can use them. And we have connected to the D2 pin, so the DHT pin preprocessor directive is given 2, and then the type of sensor is DHT11, so we are actually passing that through this particular method to the class, and then we are actually trying to read, and the values are printed on the serial port. So the program remains exactly the same what we have used, because the advantage of using this Arduino framework is it actually helps us eliminate all the backend register configurations, everything, and we get a framework completely where we can use it to create a code easily, right? And if you're a beginner, definitely you want to get exposure to the register level programming, so we would suggest to do that. This you can actually use if you are already a pro and you wanted a quick prototype. Okay, let us clear the screen, and you can see here, so this is the serial number of the data, and this is the temperature, and this is the relative humidity. So the sensor data is red. Okay, so a quick start to get a data from the sensor, and using especially the Arduino Nano board.